Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to block, mute, and report people who you're having a bit of a spat with on the desktop app for Xbox. So sometimes you get in an argument with your friends, and you want to unfriend them and all that jazz, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you open up your friends list, and I get out of this friend request section, and let's say I've been having some sort of weird argument with, I guess, Ibex, whoever this is. And I can open up their profile, and I have a few options that I can do, both in here and from in my friends list. So inside of here, if you click on More, you have the option to mute this person, which means they won't be able to communicate with you, but you can still send invites and have them on your friends list. You can block this person, which will completely prevent you from seeing them. You'll have to go onto the website to unblock them later from your account. You can remove them as a friend, or if you need to, you can report them for doing something that's against Xbox's terms of service, or because they've been really nasty and like spamming you with weird virus links because their account's been compromised or something. There's a whole bunch of different reasons why you might want to report somebody. When you click on report, you can make sure that you've got the right name, and then you can tell them why you're reporting it for something, and then you can pick what the reason was that they were doing something that's reportable. Were they doing something sexually inappropriate, like trying to send you weird pictures? Were they trying to send you weird gory gifs? Were they just harassing you and spamming the N-word? Were they spamming you or advertising a product? Or were they trying to get you to do something violent? Any of this stuff, just pick the one that seems to fit the best and then be as detailed as possible, and then hit submit. And then if they do something about this person, they oftentimes send you an email that says the conflict has been resolved and what they did about it. In this particular case, Ibex did nothing wrong, so I'm going to leave him alone. But that's just how you would go about reporting somebody inside of Xbox. You can also, if you're trying to edit your friends list or people on your friends list, you can right-click anybody, and from just right-clicking them, you can remove them as a friend, block them, report them, mute them. You can also add them as a favorite or invite them to a party. Adding them to a favorite just pins them to the top of your friends list. You know, that's where you put your best buddy Bob, you always like to play with, or Sally, or your boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever. You can invite them to a party, which uses the built-in Xbox overlay like voice chat system, which can be handy. It can also be really annoying. Or you can send them a message, and you can also send people a message by just double-clicking on their name. And then they'll pop up here. I guess that's just one click. You don't need a double click, but you can send them a message. And then, yeah, that's how you report somebody or block somebody in the Xbox desktop app. I'm not sure where you go to unblock people. It's not in the actual app itself. You have to go to the website. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye.